The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips, build some upper body strength, work on some rotation in the uppers. If you're someone who's got any limitations in external rotation, or you're trying to get some dynamics in the lower rib cage, it's a good move. Here's what you're gonna do. Your setup is, I got 2 heel elevations, so 1 for each leg, and then I'm elevating 1 leg. That way I can introduce a little bit of rotation through the pelvis. And so I'm gonna get on my wedges. I'm gonna grab the landmine, start in the bottom position. I'm gonna soft knees, shift my weight back slightly, exhale, so you get the lower abs engaged, drop the lower rib cage, not crunching. I'm gonna reach with my opposite arm. I'm gonna exhale, reach the landmine as far as I can while keeping the ab in lower rib cage position. I don't wanna arch forward. So the more I reach forward, the more my center of mass in my body gets pushed backwards. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.